this is a hiring process. Hit another one. Yeah. Like, give you that.
Hiring. The practice of finding, evaluating, and establishing a working relationship with future employees, intern, contractors, or consultants. Job description. An internal document that clearly states the essential job requirements, job duties, job responsibilities, and skills required to perform a specific role. They are also known as a job specification, job profiles, JD, job description, job PD. Hiring the right people. Hiring virtual assistants. You get yourself a team. You get the right VAs with the right skill set and with the right knowledge. You don't have to hold their hand. You've got to be around the right people. The goal is to be around people that are 10 times more intelligent and wiser.
Right? It's be around intelligent people that can think and be creative. So as a CEO, it's not your job to come up with every idea and concept. If you surround yourself around good employees and good thinkers, they too will help you grow and scale by bringing ideas and concepts to the table, right? So again, the interview process, what we do is we'll collect the resumes, and then we give a very specific way of submitting the resumes in blue ink on an 8-point font. Okay, if they don't follow instructions from the beginning, we throw that in the trash. There's no reason, we don't, because you got to follow direction. Right? If people can't follow direction, I don't want them around me. Right? And I learned that the hard way. So, and then when we interview them, we bring them to the table. We do the first, I don't do the first interview. The staff does the first interview. They talk to them, and they discuss, okay, who do we like out of these 5 people? Then they have the top 2 that they like. Then they go back and have a round 2 with those 2 people. And then the ones they really like, then I come into the last interview. Okay? And again, because you got to protect your time, and I don't want to just have the wrong conversation with the wrong people. Right? So you have to, your interview process.